Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead with 2 players. First, ensure you have 2 PlayStation 5 controllers ready and fully charged. Connect both controllers to your console and confirm they are synced. Once your controllers are set, simply launch the Cuphead game. The game is designed to automatically recognize the second player when you begin any level, making the co-op experience seamless from the start. To start your 2-player adventure, navigate to the main menu and select either New Game or Continue your existing progress. Once you choose a level or boss fight, the second player can seamlessly join in. You and your partner will control Cuphead and Mugman, each with distinct abilities. This allows for dynamic teamwork and strategic gameplay as you face challenging enemies together. In 2-player mode, teamwork is crucial. If one player loses all their health, the other can revive them by parrying their ghost before it floats off-screen. Coordinate your attacks and special moves to overcome tough bosses. Remember to utilize Cuphead's and Mugman's unique abilities. Mastering the parry mechanic, especially on pink objects, will help both players build their super meter for powerful attacks. When playing Cuphead in 2-player mode, both players share a single screen, so staying close is important. Effective communication with your partner is absolutely essential for navigating complex levels and defeating challenging bosses. Be aware that the game's difficulty scales slightly to accommodate 2 players, offering a unique and engaging challenge. Embrace the cooperative spirit and have fun conquering Inkwell Isle together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.